We're introducing handles, a new way for people to find and connect with creators and each other on YouTube. Unlike channel names, handles are unique to each channel, making it easier for creators to establish and maintain their distinct presence on YouTube. Every channel on YouTube will have a handle, and because handles are unique identifiers, it's easy to confirm if you're engaging with the right person. Your handle will show across a few surfaces within YouTube, including your channel homepage, search results, the Shorts feed, within comments and community posts, and more, and can be used off YouTube to promote your channel. Let's walk through how you can choose your handle. We're gradually rolling out handles to all channels over the coming weeks, and we'll notify you in YouTube Studio and by email when it's time to choose your handle. You can also go to youtube.com/handle for more information and to get started. To make it easier for you to choose a handle, if you already have a personalized URL, in the majority of instances, we've automatically reserved that as your handle. If you don't have a personalized URL or want to choose something different, don't worry, you'll be able to choose a handle. Note that in certain cases, your preferred handle may not be available. You'll be able to select another option once you've been notified that you're able to choose a handle. When you choose your handle, we'll also create a matching URL. You can use this URL to direct people to your content when they're not on YouTube. We recommend you update your social media profiles and external websites to use this new URL. Now let's walk through some questions you might have about handles. Who is eligible for a handle? We are opening access to everyone and removing the 100 subscriber eligibility threshold that applied to custom URLs. Every channel on YouTube will have a handle that can be used between creators and viewers. You'll also get a new unique YouTube URL that matches your handle and will make it easy for people to discover and connect with you on YouTube. Are there any guidelines for choosing a handle for my channel? Handles can be up to 30 characters. Remember, your handle will be the way people find and interact with you, so make sure you choose one that best represents your channel. And remember, your handle must follow YouTube's community guidelines. What if my preferred handle is already selected by the time I'm able to choose? For the vast majority of channels, if you already have any type of personalized YouTube URL, we will automatically convert this to your handle. You can also choose a new handle as long as it isn't already being used by someone else. If your channel doesn't have a personalized URL, you can either select a new handle, or if you don't select a handle, YouTube will automatically assign you one that you can change at any point. Users are not bound to their channel name as the basis of their handle, the way they are limited today when it comes to creating a custom URL. If the handle you want isn't available, get creative and try adding numbers, periods, or underscores. For more info, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.